Okay, so if you own a recruiting agency just like I do, pay close attention. The days of LinkedIn automation and automated tools like Octopus, Expandy, and many others are dead. Guys, if you're doing this, you need to be very careful. So just last week, LinkedIn did a huge sweep for all of these tools and their security team. I got a notice, many of my members got a notice, and this is playing with fire. So for the past 3 years, I've been able to get away with it by, putting my LinkedIn outreaches on automation, like really on steroids, which is a great thing to do. But it's time to pivot and do something different. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now to get away from these tools in with the risk of possibly losing my LinkedIn account. Because if you're watching this video and you're in recruiting, if you own a recruiting business, if you get your LinkedIn account permanently banned and there's no way to get it back, I know a few people this has happened to, you might as well look for a different career. Okay, because LinkedIn is the staple for any recruiting business. This is where all your prospects are. This is where all your A-player candidates will be. This is where you want to push out content and start a relationship. So pay close attention here. All right, so this is what happened to me just the other day. I got the letter from LinkedIn and I had to go through a couple of steps. But this is what scared me. Please note that should our system detect account sharing in the future, your account may be subject to a permanent restriction. All right, that's all I had to hear. I'm done. I'm no longer using these automated tools. I ran a great company with them. I, got a lot of clients. That's fantastic. But you always have to change and evolve. And so I am learning a lot of social selling techniques through LinkedIn that are organic strategies, ways of pushing out content every day, having a call to action and lead magnets. But there's so much you can do within LinkedIn that I was never even aware of. Let me show you just one little hack that I've been implementing into my recruiting business lately that you can do as soon as today and stop relying on these automated tools, okay? Because you don't want to get banned and it is coming your way. All right, so here's a great technique. Go into your work grid right here and click on LinkedIn Learning. Are you familiar with this? I know I wasn't. I was never using this. And check this out, guys. All right, so go up here and type in any subject. Let's say that you're in the recruiting business for accountants, right, or accounting. So you want to maybe hire a CPA, or you want to look for hiring managers who would hire anyone with accounting background from you. All right, so type in your keyword, hiring a CPA video. Great, makes sense. So we'll go there. And let's read what this teaching is about. Okay, so these people are offering video teachings for anybody on LinkedIn for free. So here's a detail of the course. It's basically talking about bootstrapping, starting and growing a business without outside funding. So this is about somebody who'd want to start their own company with limited budget maybe, or different ways to save money in the beginning, but then also hiring techniques as well. So what you'll find here on the bottom are people who are commenting. Okay, so right here, let's go down. So founder and CEO, that could be a good client lead for you, right? So I'd reach out to, I'm going to say Sana Gupta is how you pronounce it. That's one trick. But here's the best part. Check this out, guys. 3,428 people have put a thumbs up and liked this this piece of education content. So you can click on that and get access to everybody, CEOs, let's see, project coordinators, more CEOs, co-founders. And again, these could all be potential hiring managers for you. So what I am doing right now is I'm typing in my keyword for what I am, marketing and selling. And I am doing a 20-person outreach every day through here. And the engagement has been out the roof. So I'll talk to one of these prospects. I'll say, hey, I saw that you attended XYZ training on LinkedIn. What were your thoughts? I thought this. It is a great way to start a conversation, a great way to get really hyper targeted qualified client leads and candidate leads. So as I come across more of these little ninja tricks through LinkedIn, I'll make sure I produce some content and video for you guys. But get moving on this, all right? Type your keyword in right here, whatever it is, medical, sales, IT, and start looking at all the juicy leads that you can generate by clicking this button up here. All right, guys, get after it. Happy hunting.